Welcome friends, in this video you'll learn update about Bitcoin technical fundamental analysis, accurate ideas that you can use, also technical analysis for Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano and Doge and BNB and Dogecoin. That's why at this moment I ask you, my friends, to push like, subscribe and follow because you'll get a lot of updates in the future. Let's go. First, before we start, I invite you to join our free crypto workshops. That would be linked below in description. 28th of June, live stream where I'll share with you two strategies that I personally use: breakout, false breakout. Also, I'll share with you reasons why 90% of people lose money, what you should do to avoid it. That's why that would be linked in description. Also, it's live that you could ask any questions regarding to trading. Let's start, my friends. At this moment, a lot of people from internet publish this stuff, Wyckoff distribution, and I would like to share it with you, and I would like explain it to you, what is it, and how it works, and how it might be helpful for you. Let's start. Take a look at this moment. I think if you would compare Bitcoin chart to all of this stuff, you would agree with me that Bitcoin chart, especially on daily, looks nearly the same as that Bitcoin, that Wyckoff distribution. That means if this Wyckoff distribution is real, that would mean that it was a bottom, and after that price might rise a lot. And many people ask it, Yuri, can it happen? My friends, to be honest, as a trader, I don't play something like this. I don't trade such stuff because I have patterns that I use. That's why for me it is like I can guess can it work or not, because also I can share with you a picture that I published a few days inside into our free Telegram channel. Example of same Wyckoff accumulation and nearly same example when it didn't played out. That's why what for me at this moment really is important. At this moment, to be clear that Bitcoin is bullish, I wait for clear pattern for breakup. That's for me would be the best signal that Bitcoin would be bullish. Let me share with you previous examples when Bitcoin broke after pullback, broke trend line or important key level, and it was really clear that it was good opportunity to buy. Let's start. First example that I have a desire to share it with you. I think all of you remember 2019. Also, it was winter. I remember the time when Bitcoin broke it. By the way, at that moment, so sad I didn't trade breakout strategies. That's why I didn't pay attention. Take a look what had happened. A massive value area. What does it mean, value area, my friend? Value area, it is a place where a lot of volume traded. Why it's so important? Because imagine if you are a big hedge fund and you have like few billions in your management to accumulate good position, like to eat. Imagine that you are a big guy, like 2 meters tall, and I think you agree that you eat much more food than a small girl like 8 years old that like less than 1 meter. I think you agree. The same as big hedge fund to be full, they eat much more. They need bigger liquidity. They can accumulate such liquidity inside in such ranges. And take a look what had happened after that. Beautiful uprise and the biggest volume at high. But here, such breakout pattern, it was really one of the best because it was clear that price were in a range after that started beautiful squeezing up and broke it. It is my favorite breakout pattern. And by the way, below this link, there would be a playlist with free trading strategy for beginners. For those that just started your path in crypto, it would be the best way to start it. And after that beautiful uprise, it is a first scenario that I would use for Bitcoin for uprise. Another scenario, my friends, it is a beautiful trend line breakout. The same here, take a look. Beautiful trend line breakup pattern. Even if you didn't buy it here on a moment of breakout, here on retest, it was also a reasonable place to get in, like this one. Another example for you, really beautiful pattern after after range, it was this beautiful trend line breakout. The same, even if you didn't buy at the moment of breakout, you could wait like here on retest to this level, you could take it. It was also good place. Another example for you of also good and reasonable place, my friend, it was also this trend line breakout pattern. Also, you might build like a local key level, it doesn't matter what you would decide to do. Here, take a look again. Beautiful trend line, beautiful key level breakout pattern. I think you agree with me that in these cases it was really beautiful. Take a look, level built by this bar, trap, retest, and take a look how they squeezed up and poof, beautifully broke it. In some cases it could be like this one, trend line broken. They broke it, retested, and again uprise. The hardest it is like this one. It was maybe the hardest one because trend line was really too cool. But take a look, every real low, big tails, and daily candle didn't close any times at low. And take a look, biggest volume here at bottom. It's good. It's really good and beautiful. Yes, price rise up from this place from 45 to 65. It was 20k uprise, by the way, from this place. It's a lot. That's why at this moment, even this even this drop, my friends, take a look. Price get dropped, and after that, what they did is they exactly retested beautiful trend line. That's example for you how technical analysis work. Take a look. Beautifully, they exactly retested trend line. That's why at this moment, if some of you ask me, okay, Yuri, what should I do? Like, if you Bitcoin believer and you have a free cash, yes, you can buy it on a spot right now and just keep it. If you like a person like me that you do trades on futures with low predictable risk, I would recommend you to wait for some clear pattern like a trend line breakup pattern. For me, it would be the best, and trade it. That's it. To get such updates, my friends, remember to subscribe on our free Telegram channels. There would be a link in description because all patterns, nearly on everyday basis, I record updates about Bitcoin. Sometimes I do it on TradingView because it is far easier and faster for me. That's it. Okay, write into your chat, do you enjoy such analysis? Should I do it more in the future? Write in comments, I would be happy to share it with you more. Let's do analysis of other top coins and Bitcoin dominance. During this uprise, Bitcoin dominance rise, that means money moves into Bitcoin. Or money goes out from altcoins faster than Bitcoin. It happens often when we have panic on crypto market. I would be happy if Bitcoin dominance would rise to 50 to 60%, something like that, because after that there could be a new cycle on altcoins. Oh my god, I just deleted Ethereum. Ethereum USD. Okay, my friends, I'm so sorry, ETH USDT. What about Ethereum? Ethereum also bounced from really important area at this moment, and also I would pay attention what would be the next, because Ethereum hard at this moment, really difficult to build a good forecast. Why? First, we have signals for uprise and signals for drop. What is signals for uprise? First, price made real low and massive volume increase exactly at bottom. It's good. Take a look on this fake out and massive volume increase. I like it. At this moment, everything looks that Ethereum might rise up until this big value area. What does it mean? A lot of people that did trades, there are a lot of traders that accumulate sell position and buy position. And if price hits this area, it would be a place where it would be a question, are sellers really strong enough to move it continue down or not? Because if price would hit like to 2,600, most of the people that keep sell positions, their stop losses would be taken, and like it would be a signal that party change completely. That's why at this moment I see that momentum until this value area is still up. What will be after that, my friends, for me it's difficult to say to you. Dogecoin also, I think that Dogecoin should hit at least this key level, 28 cents. What will be after, friends? Also difficult to say, because take a look, the biggest volume exactly at bottom. It's beautiful. Someone finally started buying Dogecoin, and at this moment, I think they should hit all of this place. What will be after? The same as on Ethereum. The main question: who will be stronger in this area? Because it's area where base controls this area, and if price hit it more up, people that keep sell positions, they would get out, and there could be momentum up, but they also can hold it and move it down. That's why I pay attention what would be the next. About Ripple at this moment build this key level and squeeze up to it. I think that Ripple can break up it, my friends, and also hit this value area. The same, by the way, Cardano did it even faster. Take a look how Cardano bounced from this massive volume at bottom. It's really good and beautiful. Cardano, to be honest, bounced far faster than I expected, my friends. I expected that there would be at least some bigger drop, but take a look on all charts, how Cardano drops, and after that it exactly bounce and really fast bounce. It looks like we have really powerful buyers in Cardano. At this moment, if there would be some retest to this area, I would be happy to buy these coins additionally. BNB coin, friends. BNB didn't make even a real low and biggest volume at bottom. It signals that BNB even stronger. At this moment also BNB with huge chance will hit this area. What will be after, I should wait and watch. The same DOT a little bit different than other coins, because DOT did really low, but compared to Cardano already rose up from 1 USD to 34%. But DOT rose up from 13 to 15 only. DOT rise up nearly 10% only. DOT, I would pay attention because I could be also breakout pattern on DOT, and I also expect that DOT might hit this value area. My friends, do you see that at this moment nearly most of the coins look that they will do a pullback? What will be after depends on a price action. When I will have clear ideas, I will share with you, especially if you would push like and share this video with other people. That would be the best thank you to from your side to me and my company. Thank you for your time. Take care, trade wisely, and wait for good patterns. Bye.